Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Coolski 72W Commercial Undercounter Refrigerator review. Is it worth it? Walk-in freezer cold room industrial solutions are essential for restaurants, hotels, bars, supermarkets, and food service businesses that depend on reliable cold storage. The Coolski 72W Commercial Undercounter Refrigerator is designed as a heavy-duty, stainless steel refrigeration system that bridges the gap between compact undercounter units and large-scale cold rooms. Check the video description for the updated price link. In 2026, commercial kitchens demand more efficiency, durability, and precise temperature control, and this 20.9 cu.ft. 3-door worktop fridge is built to meet those expectations. This unit is especially useful for busy kitchens, where space optimization and quick access to ingredients matter. Instead of relying on bulky walk-in storage for daily use items, chefs and staff can keep frequently used products right under the prep counter. This improves workflow speed, reduces unnecessary movement, and helps maintain food safety standards. Whether you operate a restaurant, CAF, bar, catering service, or retail food shop, this refrigerator is designed to handle constant opening and closing while maintaining stable cooling performance. Its stainless steel body ensures durability, hygiene, and easy cleaning, making it a long-term investment for commercial environments. The Coolski Undercounter Refrigerator stands out because it combines industrial-grade performance with practical design. One of its strongest advantages is its massive 20.9 cubic feet capacity, which is spread across 3 independently accessed doors. This makes organization simple and reduces temperature loss when accessing stored items. Its stainless steel exterior is not only visually appealing but also resistant to corrosion, grease, and heat, which are common in professional kitchens. The top surface doubles as a durable prep workstation, allowing chefs to chop, assemble, or plate food directly above cold storage. Another important feature is its advanced cooling system, designed for consistent temperature maintenance even during peak kitchen hours. Many commercial operators prefer this type of refrigeration because it minimizes food spoilage and ensures compliance with food safety regulations. Additionally, the ergonomic door handles, adjustable shelving, and easy access compartments help improve workflow efficiency. It is also engineered for low noise operation, making it suitable for both open kitchens and enclosed restaurant environments. For businesses interested in broader cold storage and kitchen technology solutions, you can also explore advanced tools like commercial refrigeration systems that integrate modern monitoring and inspection features. The build quality of the Coolski 72 Undercounter Refrigerator is one of its most impressive aspects. Constructed entirely from heavy-duty stainless steel, it is designed to withstand the harsh conditions of commercial kitchens. Heat, humidity, spills, and constant usage are no challenge for this unit. The reinforced doors are engineered for frequent opening and closing without loosening over time. This is especially important in high-traffic kitchens where staff constantly access ingredients. The magnetic sealing system ensures minimal cold air leakage, improving energy efficiency and cooling stability. Internally, the shelving system is fully adjustable, allowing kitchen staff to organize ingredients based on usage frequency. This flexibility is critical in fast-paced environments where storage needs change daily. The rounded internal corners also make cleaning significantly easier, reducing the risk of bacterial buildup. The worktop surface is another standout design element. Unlike standard refrigerators, this model is designed to double as a preparation station, which helps maximize limited kitchen space. When it comes to performance, the Coolski Undercounter Refrigerator delivers consistent and reliable cooling across all compartments. Unlike lower-end units that suffer from uneven temperature distribution, this model is engineered to maintain stable cooling even when multiple doors are opened frequently. Check the link in the description to get yours today.